Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana. If you are new here, welcome. Okay, so what's cool about today's video is we are going to be building a desk, ladies. I don't know if you can see, but I am dressed for it, okay? We are going to be building a desk as well as taking this boring wall and making it cute with items I already have around the house. So stay tuned. Guys, these are the items I found around the apartment. Okay, I'm gonna work my mommy magic and make it look so cute. Okay, first we're gonna build the desk, okay? So I'm gonna time lapse and everything's gonna be so trippy, but like chill, okay? All right, say hi. Hi. All right, guys. So we have our shelf up and we have our desk ready. I added a lamp. So now it's time to decorate, okay? I am going to tell you what I have and where I got it from, if I could remember. Okay, first off, we have our letter board. I want to call it that. I don't know exactly what it's called. I put welcome to grade 3. I thought it was super cute. And we're just gonna put it slightly, kind of, just on our shelf, just chilling, you know? I got that, I want to say at Target. It was 10 bucks. So I had that around for a while. I found it, finally put it to some good use, you know? Next up, we have our books. I always feel like books are a really good decorating tool. They just make everything look more put together. Like just, I don't know. I love books. Right now we have Flying Solo, Junie B. Jones, and A Wrinkle in Time. And Junie B. Jones is a party animal, which like, I heard it's a good read. Very Oprah recommended. Anyways, I'm going to set these books just lying down, just cause I think, you know, I think it's cuter. I think it's cuter, and then when it comes together, you know, if I want to change it, I'll change it, but for now, they're just laying down. All right, next up, I have my limited edition piece vase, okay? It was made by yours truly. From, I've had this since 2nd grade, so I made this. I think it would be cute to hold pencils, but it really doesn't hold pencils. So I'm just going to use it as a base and put it on top of the books, just to make it look a little bit fancy. Okay, so I got this with the intention like, oh, we could put paper in it, you know, cute. I was gonna do this instead of shelves. But when it came in the mail, I was like, oh, we can't do nothing with this. But we're still gonna use it because I like using a bunch of different shapes. It just, I don't know, I think it makes it look better. All right, so I found this in the boys' room. It's just simple A, B, C, D, E, F, G. He's going to 3rd grade, he knows it, but I still think it's cute. I'm just gonna place it right here, just because I felt like I've been doing a lot right here. I wanna, you know, add some focus over here. It's super cute. So I set up a little, so originally just for like, I don't wanna say TV dinner because it's not that, it's like a desk type thing for like when you're on the couch. I set that up right next to the desk just because his paper holder was actually way too big. It was bigger than what I thought it would be. Okay, so I'm super annoying and I have this, but I don't know what it's used for. I got it from Five Below, but I think it's really cute to go on the wall. So I'm gonna get my little butt up here and I'm just going to find a nail so she can connect to. Okay, she's gonna fall beat ass if she do, but yeah, that's kind of cute, right? Right? Is it cute? All right, so I also have a bunch of vintage Star Wars type paintings. I have 3 of them. I asked Kaden which one he liked the most. Move her off, this falls, I'm gonna cry. Let's move this actually really quick. He wanted this one up there. So that's where we're putting it. Okay, so now I also have this jar, guess where it's from, Target, which I think would be cute for his pencils. Let me grab some pencils. His ruler can go in here. You can't. We'll just put it right there. Okay, so we're basically done. So now all I have to do, it's enough room for his little computer. It's set. Bring his chair out here, and he'll be all set. Okay, so I tried my hardest to make it as comforting for him, and I hope he likes it. Ooh, let's bring him out. Let's bring him out. Let's see how ungrateful he is. Okay, in true annoying Tati fashion, I was like, there needs to be something on the other side. So I kind of want to add just one more little painting just to be annoying. Just because I feel like it's just a bigger space. Hold on. Okay, so I had these little paintings. I actually drew this back in 2018. It is the worst thing ever, but I love homemade art, okay? So I put that right there, and then I also drew that as well when I was pregnant. When I was pregnant with Rowan, I did a lot of painting, but yeah, so I just put that little, I want to say it's Bulbasaur. Please don't come for me, because I don't know. But yeah, I drew that. So I was like, you could just go there, you know, fill up some space. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.